We're back out at SoFi, and I got a couple guys up on the roof, so let's take a closer look. Alright, we're over on the north end. Looks like a couple of guys are hanging up on the roof here. I think you can see those LED lines running across the ETFE. From what I've read, it's going to be some kind of a message board for not only people flying by on the outside, but I guess something that can be relayed indoors as well. Not exactly sure how that's going to work, but I did read an article about that feature. So it's going to be interesting to see how exactly that's going to formulate. Noticed this last week. I'm not sure what this clear box is. Elevator is still operational. And there is some kind of work going on here on the over by the walkway. Looks like he's just cleaning it up. See a row of plants here they put in recently. Louder. Yeah, you can see a shot here, the LED wiring system. And we got some more roof work going on here in the north end. And you can see that ETFE, how dirty it gets. Looks like you got a couple of guys here, one hosing it down and maybe another doing some sort of scrubbing. Wow, it looks like a window. It's actually transparent from this section. And you can see what a difference the before and after. Wow. I think somebody had commented that there's supposed to be some kind of a automated kind of sprinkler system on the roof to hose off any, kind of crud and things on the rooftop, but I don't know if that's true or not. Only thing I've seen so far are actual workers here and there with a hose and spraying problematic areas. And 5G building getting a little bit taller over there. Cool little sign. It's pretty small compared to the one over by the lake, but pretty cool nonetheless. So I got some work going on the NFL building. So you can see all these trees are just staged in boxes, and I think they're just keeping them alive for the time being. This isn't their final destination. They're just kind of on standby. There are some other projects around the parking lots that they are going to eventually develop into. So that's my understanding, what I've heard from a couple different people. So maybe some of these trees are going to be going somewhere else as far as retail, residential, restaurant area. Isn't exactly their final resting place at this time. Looks like they're setting up here for some new street lights. I don't know if that's going to be on the outside of the stadium or this driveway coming inside, but like they do have some materials here with the signal line here for the time being. See a big dead square pixeled area there. I found a third guy up on the roof.